The Modern Manufacturing Program for high school students provides career pathways into the manufacturing industry. North Alabama high schools and career tech centers are partnering with industry leaders and AlabamaWorks to bring state-of-the-art training to students. Modern manufacturing programs such as Limestone County's Manufacturing Track and Hartzell's Tiger Launch prepare students for immediate employment or further training.
I was planning on going into engineering. Plans kind of changed because the pandemic made it to where I couldn't go visit universities. I just felt like the thing I've been working for, 12, 13 years for had just, passed me by. But then Mr. Heitch let me know about this opportunity with the EPIC program. Now I'm here at the EPIC program working at the main plant that's down the road from here, actually.
Aligned with industry standards, the Modern Manufacturing Program immerses high school students in hands-on training that prepares them for direct entry into industry.
I was trying to figure out how to get my bills paid that I was dealing with at the time, and it really wasn't working out with school and everything. They said Cyril Wire had an opportunity here while I was in high school, and it offered me not only the experience here, I also had my classes where I was earning college credit too in high schools.
Students even have the opportunity to earn multiple industry certifications while still in high school. Many modern manufacturing students go on to industry-led community college programs like FAME and EPIC, while others go directly to work in manufacturing companies.
I had a pretty narrow-minded view of what a career looks like. The program helped me realize there's more than just what they tell you in school.
These students are starting their careers at a very young age and at higher wages than many high school and college graduates, with unlimited potential for growth and without the burden of college debt.
Everything that I've learned throughout FAME, throughout working, throughout advanced manufacturing, I can apply pretty much anywhere.
I have people further on, not just in Cyril Wire, that know Webb Harris's name just because I was able to stick my foot in this door in high school and make my pathway.
This is for me. I enjoy being over there working with those people. It's a great facility, and honestly, it'd be hard for me to find another place to work because it's just that great of an environment.